Meaning of elevated.
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 Elevated. The term elevated usually refers to something that is raised to a higher level, either physically or metaphorically. When something is elevated, it is usually seen as being superior or better than what it was before. For example, an elevated platform could provide a better view than ground level. In business, an elevated status could indicate a promotion or recognition for exceptional performance. The concept of elevation can also refer to spiritual enlightenment or a higher understanding of something. Overall, being elevated suggests a positive change or improvement in some way.